Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and Padlet. So which one is better? Let's talk about the differences between Miro and Padlet. Padlet is a lightweight post-it style board often used in classrooms. It's great for simple idea sharing, mood boards, or quick collaborations. Students and educators love it for its ease of use and visual layout. Now, Miro, on the other hand, it is more advanced. It is a more advanced tool made for professionals. It supports flowcharts, brainstorming sessions, workshops, and planning templates. It's built for teams, especially those working remotely or in fast-paced projects. So you will choose Padlet if you need a simple and visual place to post content, and you will choose Miro if you want deeper collaboration, advanced features, and business grade tools. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.